After continuously giving the developer previews for based on Oxygen OS 11 or Android 11, so OnePlus have also started to roll out its Android 11. So today on this video I will show you how is the new Android level on the Open Beta 1. By the way, Open Beta is very close to stable one. So I will not tell you to upgrade it if you are a tech use, if you have lots of knowledge. So don't update it. Stable one is coming very soon, about like October 2020, and on OnePlus 7 series or OnePlus 7 series and 7T series. I think OnePlus 7 series should receive an update around January to February in between, and on OnePlus 7T series it should come on November or December in between. I don't know any idea about OnePlus 60. I hope it should get updates on the OnePlus 7 series. There is sure that OnePlus 6 will get update very soon. That actually on second quarter of the 2021. So on this video I will show you everything about it, how it looks. So let's get started. After installing Android 11 Open Beta 1, device feels more smoother. You can see whenever I scroll down and go left and right, you can see it feels more smoother, but you will not feel it because it has already on 90 Hz refresh rate. On camera it is not easily to catch it, by the way, so it feels very smooth. So on starting of this video I will show you as you can see, here is the time, day and date, as you can see, and you can get the Wednesday of this alarm clock as well, and you get the geo, like how many data you have consumed as soon as possible, and which is one of the feature I like it on OnePlus devices as well as. So whenever you quickly swipe down by one gesture and you will get its contacts, like you can change your brightness slider in between shortcutly. It is quite cool that on OnePlus on the Oxygen OS 10 you have to swipe down twice to change the uh, actually to change this option. So how is the new cool feature? So tell me on the comment section below. So on the about phone version it has changed everything and it looks like a new, brand new. Before it was at two rows section, between now it has get around like one row. As you can see the device name, and you can see it is running on Android 11, and it is the source of Open Beta 1. And here's the new Android 11 Easter egg. So it looks very cool. It is looking lot better than Android 10. On notification toggle they have mentioned the new feature name as dark mode. As you can see, here's the dark mode option. While enabling it, it looks quite good on the. So if you're not finding the option of dark mode, so click this button, pencil one, and you will find a dark mode toggle. And after I enable it, it looks good and it looks lot more smoother and creamier. But there is one bug issue that it should get fixed, like whenever I full my brightness it looks gray, but I prefer the black one on Oxygen OS 10. They have mentioned the black one, which is look, I loved it a lot. And whenever I dim my brightness level, but it still not get visible. So how is this cool feature? So tell me on the comment section below. And also you can customize the dark mode. So go to your settings, then display, and you can see the option of dark mode, and you can enable it manually, and you can disable it automatically, turn on automatically enable from sunset to sunrise, and custom time range. So I'll put it to disabled, and you will get option of force to dark mode, and you can get lots of application to enable in. So after I go to my settings, so it feels like one UI for me. For like a single hand operating system, everything reaches in one hand. As you can see, the device feels more smoother and scrolling on it. So I think it is a copy of one UI, but I don't think it is a copy of one UI. It feels me much more smoother, and it looks lot better than my Oxygen OS 10. After going to the customization option, you will get a new option. Everything has got changed, and the theme section option has been removed. Before there was three themes: vibrant tints, illuminating light, and non-stark, and everything has removed by it, and tone section has been also gone. And here is the horizon light is also there, but still there is no new colors added from OnePlus. Accent color also, you can change your lots of accent color like purple, everything like this. You can change it up to your colors. This is your choice and you can change it. I will stick to this one. So you can customize your colors as well. So go to your customization and you can change lots of color, as you can see. So after going to this one, you can change lots of colors as per your favorite. So what do you think about it, guys? Tell me on the comment section below. And also you can change your system icons. It has round, square, teardrop and round rectangle. So I will go for with round rectangle. It looks quite of classic look. By the way, it looks feel very smooth. And on icon packs you can see hydrogen OS, round, delta, one UI pack, one UI icon pack, drop icon and voxel. These three icon packs come with default one, and this other icon packs I have installed it, so you can, here's the option to install more of your icon packs as soon as possible. On plus side there is total like 11 clock styles, but I make the video on it. But there is another new clock style which is named as the Insight. This shows you about like lots of information about it. Like you can, here's the option of like I will show you everything demo, so how you can get a clear view about it. As you have seen that, so here is the ambient display and it has show you how many times you have unlocked your device, and here is the bar line that it is your usage pattern, and here is the time, day and date, and here's the fingerprint unlock, and here's the battery percentage. So it gives you lots of information about it. But there should be more features like to change your like music, gesture controls, like this same features as on the Samsung Galaxy, Samsung also devices. There should be option of weather, but it is a beta source on stable IO. Everything should be come on this feature. How to enable this always on display? So go to your settings menu, then scroll down for option display, and you will get the option of dark mode. When you can change your dark mode, you will get the option of ambient display, and you can change your lots of things. As you can see, it will show you the option of fingerprint icon is allowed or not. So whenever you disable this option, so it will not show you the fingerprint icon. So after tapping it once, I hope it should show. No, it should not showing. It is good. But I will still enable it for in case any emergency. So example, if my phone is on table, so I've done it, so it done. You can put display message, and you can, here is the option of always on display, always on ambient display. This ambient display will consume a lot of battery. To save battery, the phone screen will be dimmed automatically when it's a dark environment. Until the next interaction with your phone, this feature will disable battery saving mode, or when your battery level is at lower or 5%, on 50%, 15% of the battery level, so it get disabled. And you can put it off. You can put a different schedule from 8 AM to 10 PM. So you can put all of the day, but it will drains a lot of battery, so I will disable it. Always on display is not a big thing. So like example, whenever I close my phone, you can pick up your device to show it and tap to show it also. It's quite good. I hope it should improve some of the features like battery life, especially because on Samsung devices they drain about 1% per hour, which is good quite off, and you can put lots of things. And here is the new feature named as Vision Confirm Comfort. So it is same feature like from night mode, and you can put your you can customize it, and you can put it on schedule as well. Automatically enable from sunset to sunrise and custom time rate. So I will disable it manually. So you will get that option in the toggles. As you can see, here is the option of Vision Comfort. So after enabling, you will feel lot more, the screen will become very warm. So it is really useful for if you are using phone at the night whilst using it. So it will less harmful your eyes, it will protect it. And here's the new feature of reading mode. Nothing has changed new, but only just like new options are given. As you can see, it has given some details, ask every time. You can customize it, so whenever you turn on your reading mode, it shows chromatic effect or turn on mono effect. So I put it on ask to every time, and on mono effect you will get black and white, and on chromatic you will get little bit colorful on little bit black and white. And you can block click notifications, so whenever you are reading ebook, especially Amazon Kindle, everything you can read. And apps for reading, you can select multiple apps to select it, everything. So how is this new cool feature? Tell me on the comment section below. So there is nothing new features on it, so on go to your advanced setting, you will get an option of vivid, natural, advanced. So nothing new feature on it. So I hope OnePlus should add some new features on it. So I will put it on default, and you can change your refresh rate up to 60 or 90 Hz. And you can do like front display hide the camera area. You can hide your notch. Example, OnePlus 8 series has punch hole. You can hide it. I will After I apply this, like hiding the notch, but it feels like you are using a Pixel phone. So it looks very weird for me. So if you are using a dark night, so you will not see the punch hole on it. It looks like you are using your own OnePlus 7 Pro. So how is the new feature? So it is same feature on the Oxygen OS 10. So I will disable this feature in a minute. Is it looks better or not? So tell me on the comment section below. Which is your favorite, with a notch or without a notch? So tell me. And you can change your like display aspect ratio, but it's still not get improved. But we can get know about it. It is a beta version, not a stable version. As you can see, it has support only just like this apps, and not on this apps. You can see nothing new changes are done. On lock screen they have done some new changes, like they have moved the icon from middle to left side, because they have shown before it was at middle, now it has come to the left one. As you can see, it gives you all information like day, time, date. Also everything is good. And on before fingerprint sensor it was gray, and before it was like blue, it has turned gray, but still good. But I hope it should come with blue one. But they should give the option for like changing color of this fingerprint icon. So how is the new feature on this? So tell me on the comment section below. There is lots of features that's been improved a lot. So here is the Zen mode toggle. So if you not find it the toggle, so press this button, so you will get sorry, not this button. After pressing this button you will get lots of toggle options, the new features also. After pressing the Zen mode button you can get about like totally like 5 themes maximally, like this one, this one, this one. So which is your favorite guys, these themes? Tell me on the comment section below. So I will go for this theme because it looks good, and this is one of my favorite. And they have changed some new features on it, so you can change your timing as well. Totally it was about like maximally about like 60 minutes. Now it has changed up to 120 minutes, and you can choose your Zen mode like 1 minute, and you can join the room or you can create a room as well on Zen mode. And on you can see your accounts as well, everything like how many minutes you have done Zen mode, muted notices, used days, and completed it also. And you will get medals also after you completing this challenge of Zen mode, as you can see. But you need some like internet to enable this feature. So how is the new cool feature? Tell me on the comment section below. So on dialer everything has improved a lot, like free like one hand, but it is copied from Samsung, but I cannot call it. It is a quite good that they have added. So you can press this button to get about like time also in toggles, not like toggles, you get keypad also, and you can change your business card. And emergency option has also changed, so go to your lock screen, then you can get the option of lock screen, swipe down, so you get emergency rescue, and you can add your contact, turn on the flash SOS light, and sound also, share location, emergency call, and you can add your contacts as well. So how is the cool feature? Tell me on the comment section below. Calling UI has been improved over a lot. So as you can see, calling UI has been improved. As you can see, calling UI has been improved over a lot. As you can see, it feels like more natural for me. So like you can reach it by one hand. On Oxygen OS 10 it was not so very easy. So what do you think about it? Tell me in the comment section. There is actually no new features has been added for phone dialer. On messages they have changed something like you can do one hand also to send text message everything as soon as possible. And there is new feature from screenshot as well, so whenever you take any screenshot, example for like that, so you can share it to as soon as possible. As you can see, share it to your social media like Telegram, WhatsApp, messaging, Facebook, Instagram, and everything, all of your social medias. So how is the cool feature? Tell me on the comment section below. It has same feature on the camera. As you have seen, here is the feature from the camera as well. And on camera there is new features have been added. So as you can see, you can portrait mode has been improved, nightscape also, pro mode has been changed, and on video resolution they have added some new features like uh, portrait video also, and ultra stable. Ultra stable was already option at Oxygen OS 10, and on night there is new feature called as nightscape, but this has been not launched by the Google. It has already on, it has not already on the some of the G cams, and you can enable these filters to while making video to get a more colorful experience. You can see, you can change your colors, everything. You can change it up to black and white, but I will disable this function about it. I will put it up to default, and on photos you can change it as soon as possible. As you can see, there is lots of new filters: 06, 07, P1, P2 and P3 as well. You can see everything looks good. By the way, it looks black and white. So if you're a big fan of this filter, so try to use it. And there is new toggle for like the Google Lens to quickly share it, or quickly search for like same feature from Samsung Bixby as well. So quite good. And there is nothing new added on these settings. You can see smart scene recognition, ultra short HDR, long press to take any shutter or video, or you can turn it up to burst. I will stick with the record video for quick. And you can get option of time lapse, video resolution. You can see 1080p 30 fps, 1080p 60 fps, and 4K at 60 fps cine mode. As you can see, I will stick at 1080p at 60 fps, and you will get the option of slow motion, but there is no option for like 960 fps. I hope OnePlus should add it as soon as possible. And you can change your custom modes, and you can allow your location, that where pic you have taken from this location. And camera version is 5.4.89. You can see quite improved a lot everything. On home screen settings there is nothing new on it. We still get the feature from OnePlus Scout, and about version is 5.0.0, but on last Oxygen OS 10 it has about like 10.5, like 5.7.2 maximally, like sorry, like 4.7.2. and you will get update change logs about it. And you can add your launcher also, you can change your icon packs, home screen layout, grid, icon size, and app names also. You can hide your app names, and you can double tap to lock your device and show right side on the Google, and you can swipe down to shelf also. So I will show you how it looks. You can see you can do lots of things on this settings, many of this new one. So let's go to the shelf and enable it. You can see while pulling it down it looks like this, by the way, but I like its background effect, so OnePlus should give the option for like changing the background effect. And here is the settings of cricket card, parking location, tools. You can write memo, step counter, toolbox, and more. You can add your mode options and widgets as well. As you can see, there is the lots of options. I hope it should come with stable. On there is not given on the left side option, on right side option. So how is this below? No new things has been added on the battery icon, battery size. On you can see there is still feature of optimized charging, and you can get details about like how many device will work on it, uh, and you can see the details of screen on time and how many hours you have charged, leave it on the charge, and you can change your battery saver as well. There is new feature called as turn off when battery charge. Battery saver turns off when your phone is at 90%. It will get disabled automatically, and you can put a schedule also based on your routine. And as you can see, you can put your battery percentage maximally up to like 75%. So you can drag it up to maximally like 20%, which is quite useful if you're in out somewhere also. So I will put it on no schedule because there is a battery tile icon also, as you can see over here, and you will get option of no schedule about it, and you get option of whenever your some like apps like get restricted from battery usage, like example on background this app is using, so you can enable this option as well. How is this new cool feature? Tell me on the comment section below. Storage interface, so how it looks, tell me on the comment section below. It looks quite good, it looks cleaner, and you can storage manager to help to delete 90 days old photos as well. Nothing new features has been added on OnePlus library, but still we get feature from like DC dimming feature, which is quite good for me, but still there is a DC dimming feature, and you can reply quickly on your landscape mode you are using while watching a video, while playing games. So on gaming mode they have given some new things. I will show you. Here is the game, and gaming mode has been changed a lot. As you can see, you can enable fanatic mode as well, and mistouch prevention like accidental touches, example like, and on go to your settings there is the option of settings, and you can change your lots of things like there is new feature for like fanatic, so you can put this password as well, tap to like this time, and you can unlock your device. So let's see, there is there is something new or not, but there is something like misissued for it. I hope there is some bug on it or not, I don't know. So I will put the password again. As you can see, it get unlocks. So by mistakenly I put some wrong password, but we still get this same wallpapers from the OnePlus 5 also. I hope OnePlus should add some of the new wallpapers as well. And you can see, I will show you what are the new things on the game. As you can see, here is the new gaming mode. Example like if you are playing a game, as you can see, and if you want to switch your brightness, you can go from right one also, in the middle one also, and you can go from the left one also. As you can see, you can also jump over here whenever you receive any notifications, as you can see. So press this icon on it, sorry for that. So here is the option of like this one. It shows you lots of information like temperature of your device, like example temperature of your device, WhatsApp. You can quickly reply your message on Instagram as well. Fanatic mode, mistouch prevention, screen recorder, and notifications only, text only. You will get on the upper bar, and you can do it on the left side as well. So while you are playing a game, whenever you receive any notification, so swipe down, you will get this option. So which is quite useful and nice thought, and from OnePlus. You can see, sorry for that, my gameplay is not good, for only just testing I was telling you. No new feature has been added from buttons and gesture like alert slider and navigation gesture as well. You can still hide your bottom master also. And if you are first time using OnePlus 8 device, so how to use navigation gesture, so start this button, so it will teach you how to use it. And here's the quick gestures like flip to mute, 3-finger screenshot, raise to switch, raise to answer, raise to switch the call, double tap to wake, music control, and still are the same features. And you will get options like double click to power button, open camera, or none. Or you can press the whole of the power button like power menu or Google Voice Assistant. On On the UI, what are the new things have been changed? First off, like the volume panel, as you can see, everything has got changed, and still we get the feature from live caption as well. And you can get the new power menu, as you can see, same like Pixel devices. You can put your device on lockdown, emergency, or power off. You can restart your device and device control as well. So it will give you option for like cat controls. So enable these options and you will get play to it. Get used to it. You can see cat number hashtag 225, and you can play this game if you get bored a lot. So cat attracted. So as you can see, you can fill your water level, which is quite good for this feature. So how to add this control? You can edit, add, or reset. So I will add this one, football. To tap to full it, you can see it gets full, and you can get play on it, and you can swipe to fill the water bottle also, which is quite good for this feature. So what do you think about it, guys? Tell me on the comment section below. On system settings, there is nothing new. There is only just give option of like RAM boost. It has changed this icon, like enable the RAM boost, optimize RAM utilization based on your usage as well. So how is this new features? Tell me on your gallery as well. Everything has got changed, which is very similar to One UI as well. As you can see, you can change your photos as well, like swipe left, right, or you can explore it. By the way, you can see, and you can scroll down for it if you're not seeing it very clearly. So press this button to view all, so you can see it everything clearly. This is nice feature from OnePlus as well. So you can get option of go to your settings, then you will get the option of gallery version for like 4.0.58. everything is good, and you can see lots of option, capture by the date and import date also. And there is some new issues like recycle bin. I don't know, here's the option for like recycle bin, how many images you are deleted. They have mentioned you for like the timing as well, and hidden collection, you can hide your photos as well. So how is this? Tell me on the comment section below. On file manager app, nothing new added, only just like same to same interface. So how do I change my, so how I applied this open beta 1 from OnePlus 8 series, how I applied it. So first of all, download the installation file of open beta 1. You will get from the OnePlus community section as well on open beta source. So read the instruction very carefully, and please make sure to charge your device more than 30% and keep the storage space about like 3 GB, 3 gigabytes. So after installing it, so go to your file manager, so that you will get the option of downloads, and you will see after it, so press this button, then you will see the three dots, example for like, and cut it, and you can put it on the internal project, internal storage, and paste it to new folder as well. So after going to it and go to your large files, so you will see the Oxygen OS file zip, and after zip going it, so first of all you will get in jar form like zip.jar. So you need to rename the file first of all before cutting it. So only just erase the jar and go for the zip file one. So how is this? Tell me on the comment section below. So after go to your settings, then system updates, tap the gear icons towards the right top corner, select local upgrade, and you can choose the file and go for it. So I will make a dedicated video on it, guys, so on the rollback package. So guys, how was the today's video? It was very long for us today. I worked very hard, so please give this video a like, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for like awesome updates, and you will get lots of options. I tell you that how to install this APK file on the Oxygen OS Open Beta 1 based on Android 11. So I will make a dedicated video on it for like rollback from Android 11 to Android 10, from downgrading from Android 11 to Android 10. So how this will be the feature, so I will make a dedicated video on it. So thanks for watching this video to everyone. See you next time.